Gotta bash some tags. Only got 20. Anyways, what's up guys, it's boy Drifty here, back at it again with another video, and today we're gonna do an unboxing. Well, sort of, because I actually got these cars recently, not in the box though. I just put the cars here in the box so that, you know, we can have an unboxing session. Because unboxing cars are much fun, am I right? So yeah, without further ado, let's unbox the cars that I've gotten recently. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at the cars that I've gotten. First is the Porsche 918 Spider in this nice black and red livery. Like, I'm not even a huge Porsche fan for the matter of fact, but the Porsche 918 Spider, especially the ones that Hot Wheels has been releasing, they're pretty nice. And here it is, black and red decals, pretty cool. Front light tempos even, no really tempos, but still looks pretty cool. Very nice, happy to add these to my collection. Next right up is the there you go, Jeep Grand Wagoneer. I know you're like, Drifter, but this is not a Mustang or it's not a muscle car. Why did you even buy it? That's a good question, kid with a weird voice. It's a unique casting, especially the wood paneling. It makes the car look really nice. I don't know why. It's not really common for you to see this in the world of Matchbox or Hot Wheels. And when I saw this, I was like, hey, that looks pretty good, and decided to buy it. So yeah, check this out. Really cool Matchbox casting right here, the Grand Wagoneer. Ho ho, for y'all Chevrolet or Corvette fanboys, the C6R, man. This thing looks sick. I love racing decals and Corvettes. I love Corvettes. They're cool. You know, the Corvettes, Dodge, and your Mustang or Ford. The 3DT of America muscle looks really nice. And this is from what year, 2000 something. Check this out. It's just really nice. Happy to add this to my collection together with my other C6R castings. So what do we have next? A custom Ford Maverick in the graddy decals. This looks really similar to the Nissan Fairlady that we saw last year, right? So Hot Wheels were using some livery schemes, eh? Nah, I'm just kidding, but looks pretty nice. The wheels could have been better. I prefer the 10-spoke wheels. It makes the car look more drifty or sporty, but I'll take it. Not bad. Right here. There you go. So next right up is the Porsche 911 Rally, and for those who follow me on Instagram at DriftersDiecast, or you can click the link below. Don't forget to follow me. I found this on the dump bin, and I'm really lucky to have found this. There were like 10 of them, I think. I'm not really sure why people left them behind. Maybe there's so much, but here it is. Looks really nice. And the card art, man, Matchbox has been stepping up their game for 2019 with the card art and the castings, man. Just check this out. Who would ever known the Porsche can be a rally car? Well, I didn't, and yeah, that's pretty nice. Next up, we are traveling back in time. Well, sort of, because it's from 2018, but I haven't gotten my hands on this yet. The DMC DeLorean casting. It looks really nice. It's like the stock version of the Back to the Future time machine. And now I have this dark gray version right here with the deep dish wheels, which looks really nice. I love the clean look on this one. Look at that. Oh, real light tempos. Oh, the real light tempos. Thankfully, they're printed nicely on the car. So that's good. Hot Wheels, good job on that one. More Porsche. We have the Porsche 917 LH. And for all carded collectors, this one is creased. Nah, I'm just joking. If you are a carded collector, that's cool. I'm not making fun of you. But the reason why I took this is, you know, since I'm a loose collector, I might as well just take the creased one and leave the better cards for other collectors. But here it is, the 917 LH. Very nice. White. We have the white one and the baby blue one, and now we have this dark blue one. Looks pretty alright. Looks nice. White and blue decals, plastic front lights. Very cool. Happy to add this to my collection as well. Ilamau Mustang right here, 2814 Mustang GT in this nice orange livery, man. This looks awesome, man. I love like the shattered like effect on the side of the car, and then the stripe on the hood is like stripe. Oh, it starts to shatter. You know, it's like Hot Wheels just Thanos snapped the stripes out of this Mustang, and it looks really cool. I think it just kind of sucks that the wheels are gray, and I'm not really sure why. Like, I prefer if they just made it black like a normal car, but still this car is really cool, and I love the orange paint. And speaking of orange paint, oh yeah, I saw this Mustang the other day at school. Looks pretty cool, right? Yeah, so orange Mustang now in 1/64 version. Looks really nice. I didn't realize I bought so many American cars this past week, because we have a Dodge Challenger drift car right here with this racing delivery, and I love racing liveries. Yeah, it doesn't have front or rear light tempos, but racing liveries makes the car look sporty. Man, this thing is sick. I have the yellow version, and now I have the blue version, so that's really nice. I have like, I think 4 or 5 Dodge drift cars in my collection already. I think 4. Yeah, so really cool. Happy to add this to my collection as well. Last but not least, hey Lama, you guys know I love my Dura. Check that. Oh, surprise open. Yeah, if you're a carded collector, you probably got shocked by it. And I'm just joking. I'm just poking fun. Please don't be angry at me. But yes, anyways, the Dura 2. Check these out. Actually, used to have one last time, but without the surfboards, and I sold it off. But now finally I have that one with the surfboard. Woo! Check this out. And for those who have not seen my collection before, yeah, it's very messy here, and that's my pink guy mask. Yeah, look at all my Dior's right there. This is like my let me see, 10, 20, 14, 16. I think it's like my 17th Diora in my collection. Like, I only collect one of each, so this is like my 17th variation. And yeah, I'm happy to add this to my collection. So anyways, that's it guys for today's unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it, you know, made it more entertaining by putting it in the box. If you guys want to see more unboxing videos, and by unboxing I mean put the cards in the box and then actually unbox it, then give this video a thumbs up and I'll make more of these videos in the future. So with that, I hope you guys have a good day, you know, happy collecting, and I'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna play my cards right now. Woo!